In this quick video, I'm going to show you what a server looks like. The unit of measure of servers is their thickness. This server is a 2U server, 2 units. 1U is about a pizza box, and this server is about 2Us, and then you got 3Us. 4Us is probably about your PC's width. So you have dozens of these, hundreds of these in racks that look like little closets, and you slide them on rails inside the rack. For example, this is how you can take the hard drive out of a server. And so if you have a RAID 5 server with 3 hard disks mirroring each other, these could be 2 RAID 5 sets. Another feature, for example, this server has is redundant power supplies. The things that break the most often in a server are the power supplies and the hard disk. So this unit has dual power supplies, where if one burns out, it can still run, and you change the burned one with a new one, and you can have the server running without any interruption. This is what a server looks like inside. You can see here the RAM, the memory of the server, and you can see here the CPUs, the processing power. Here's the RAID card to have your hard disk be RAID 1 or RAID 5. Here's the power supplies. Here you have a bunch of fans, and that's pretty much what a server looks like. So when you host your website out there, you host it on a machine like this. If it's shared hosting, they might literally put 1,000 people on this machine. If it's a VPS, 4 to 20, and if it's a dedicated server, this will be to run your own sites or your own site on one machine.